Now children, today we are going to start with chapter number 6, Indian food. So in this chapter we will study about food. As you all know, food is our basic need. What food gives us? Food gives us energy to work and play. So food is an basic need of man. What it gives? Energy to work and helps us to grow. It's important part of Indian culture. It plays important role in everyday life as well as in festival. So we get our food from plants and animals. From plants, what we get? We get food grains, wheat, rice, maize, jowar, bajra, pulses, beans, nuts and vegetables. It is usually composed primarily of what? In food, what we have? We have carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamin and minerals. So, as you all know, from animals we get meat, egg and milk. India is a big country. People eat many types of food according to their availability of food, taste and tradition. For special occasions such as festival, birthday, wedding and many festivals, several kinds of dishes are prepared. Many sweets and dishes are eaten by us on occasion. They are made of milk, fruits and nuts. If we talk about rasgulla, barfi, jalebi and laddu, these are the popular dishes and halwa is also a popular dish over there. We also like to eat many drinks like tea and coffee. It's a favorite beverages of the people. Tea is popular in north while coffee is popular in south. We also drink fresh fruit juices. Juices are prepared from many fruits like mango, oranges, pineapple and apple also. Most people in India are vegetarian. The food is prepared from grains, pulses and your vegetables. Isko vegetarian food कहते हैं. And the people who eat egg and meat, they are non-vegetarian. Now, East Indian food. Let's study about the food eaten in Eastern India. Bengal and Assami style of cooking are noticeable. The staple food of Bengal is yummy combination of what? Rice and fish. What they eat? Rice and fish. Special way of preparing the delicacy is known as hilsa, by wrapping it in a pumpkin leaf and cooking it. So another usual ingredient that is commonly used in Bengal is the bamboo. Many sweets are prepared in this season by using milk. It includes rasgullas, sandesh, cham-cham and many. West Indian food. If we talk about in Western India, the dish cuisine is famous for its unique taste and varieties of food. Rajasthan and Gujarat are the states that represent what? Desert flavor of Indian food. Here is an immense variety of dals and pickles. There is a lack of fresh vegetable in these areas. Dhokla is well-known dish of Gujarat and which is famous in other states. Maharashtra is the food that usually a mixture of both, north also as well as south also. Here people use both rice and wheat with the same interest. Mumbai, a large variety of fish is available over here. Let's study about the North Indian food. What type of food the people of North India eat? Food is in North India begins with Kashmir cuisine, reflected strong Central Asian influences. In Kashmir, if we talk about, mostly all dishes prepared. Around the main course, rice is found in abundantly in the beautiful valley over here. And another delicious item cooked here is the saag that is prepared with green leafy vegetable. What we call it. But another hand, we have states like Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, which show high consumption of chapatis as staple food. Again, these chapatis are prepared with variety of flours like wheat, rice, maida, besan, and besides these chapati, other closely related bits are also baked. Like this, में आपका तंदूरी रुमाली नान हो गया. In northern region, impact of Mughlai food is quite obvious. Then we have South Indian food. If we talk about in southern India, the states make great use of spices, fish and coconut, as most of them have what? Coastal kitchen in Tamil Nadu. Food is frequently made in order to impart sourness of the dishes. It simply distinguishes the Tamil food from the other country. So the cooking style of Andhra Pradesh is supposed to make excessive use of chilies, which is obviously improve the taste of the dish. So in Kerala, some of the delicious dishes are the lamb stew, appamas, Malabari fried prawns, idli dosa fish, moli, rice puttu. Another famous item of this region is the sweetened coconut milk. Yet another dish is puttu, which is glutinous rice powder steamed like a pudding in a bamboo shoe. Right? Why do we a great variety of food habits of people as we go from state to another state? You have to give this answer because it's very according to the taste and eating habits. Now, our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood about the different food habits. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.